Happening today, a bond hearing for the man charged with murder in the shooting death of a young boy who simply rang his doorbell and ran away. Prosecutors plan to ask the judge to set bond for 42-year-old, that man right there, Gonzalo Leon Jr., at $1 million. Leon is charged with the murder of 11-year-old Julian Guzman. Police say Leon opened fire on the boy and the boy's cousin, who were playing a prank, Ding Dong Ditch, late Saturday. The district attorney now tells CNN that the boy had no weapon and that he was shot in the back, an 11-year-old boy, from at least 20 feet away.
There's nothing to suggest that he was taking anything. He was running away. He was doing what 11-year-old boys do. He was playing pranks on the neighbors, and it cost him his life.
Here with me now, I'm CNN legal analyst and attorney Joey Jackson. So now you've got this case, and now this begins. And here's the thing about it. I mean, it goes without saying. This resonates with everyone because it is a timeless childhood game that we all played, gone horrendously wrong, and should not. These types of things should not happen.
Absolutely.
The DA says a self-defense claim in this case will not apply, ain't gonna work. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, from the initial indications, Kate, it doesn't appear that that's the case. Now, why? Just unpacking this. Listen, kids are going to play, and people certainly have a right to defend their homes. But I think there may be a fundamental misunderstanding about what that means. Now, getting into self-defense, of course you have the right to defend yourself. How? Number one, you have to be in immediate fear of death or serious physical injury in order to do that. And the law recognizes if you're in that immediate fear, you can. Number two, the response in terms of your defense has to be proportionate to any threat posed. Number three, you have to act reasonably. And so you ask yourself the question, Kate, in response to your question, will self-defense work here? It's problematic. Then you take it out from that. Let's fan it out a bit different, right? You look at this issue called the Castle Doctrine.
Yeah.
What does the Castle Doctrine mean? It means that a person has a right to certainly defend their home or any place that they lawfully are, their vehicle, place of business, etc., and that you don't have a duty to retreat. That means, and it's really in most jurisdictions that's the case, where you have this castle doctrine. In other jurisdictions, you do have the ability to retreat. If you do have the ability to retreat safely, you must do so. But that's different from what we just heard the DA, the district attorney, say when you have a person who doesn't have weapons, it's a little boy, 20 feet away from you. Where's the immediacy of the danger? And that's the issue here.
So is that the key issue that this... There's so much to learn.
Yes.
I'm saying this early.
Yes.
What do you think in this specific case, these specific circumstances, that this is going to center on?
So here's the issue.
It's also, can I just say, just like on a rational adult human being level, like talking about self-defense with an 11-year-old who's just playing Ding Dong Ditch and ringing your doorbell, I know that sounds completely disproportionate, unproportionate. These are the questions that we'll now be asking.
Of course, Kate, of course. But the issue is, listen, we're in a day and age where people are very sensitive about their homes, and certainly people could be subject to attack, and you get that. But I think there's a distinction between someone forcibly trying to come into your home, someone approaching you, someone representing a danger to you and your family, than someone ringing your bell and running away.
Right.
So that's what the case turns on. In the event that somebody has an immediacy of this fear, right, you can defend yourself in acting reasonably, but you have to, again, act proportionally. And you ask yourself the question, if somebody's going in an opposite direction, do you feel that way? And if the answer is no, then you have serious problems in saying you were just defending your home, your place of business, your vehicle, etc. This has really gone amok. It's troubling, it's problematic, and I think, again, early indications, there could be some serious problems in defending a case like this. It looks like murder.
Joey, thanks for being here.
Of course.